Alright, so today I had to deal with this. First thing you want to do is take this little piece off right here. I don't know what the hell it does, but anyway, after I yanked that off, I realized that I've got a really fucked up gash going on right here. Alright, so we're going to take this air filter box off. I connected the air filter box to this little screw I used with a long screwdriver, and also took off this connector here. When I took off that connector, I removed it with the air box, and now I was left with this hose right here, which is all clawed up like a tiger scratched it. So here's the new one. Going to slap that on there like they do on TikTok, but it didn't work. So now I'm going after the clips one by one, and there's this one right here that requires a flat head. So let's pop these off real quick. Alright, while I pop these clips off, I'm going to tell you a quick story on how I bought this car. I bought it for $1,300, title and all. It was sitting in someone's driveway, and it was tore down all the way to the starter because they attempted to change it themselves and said they were in too deep and decided to get rid of it. That's when I took the opportunity, bought it, put it all together, and put a new motor in it. This is the new motor, which only has 120,000 miles on it. And now a bunch of things are starting to fail, which I brought from the old motor to the new one. Okay, now I got this new hose on. Make sure you get those clamps in there right. Make sure you tighten all that shit up. Grab your airbox, throw it in there. Hope to God it works like it does on TikTok. But slap those bolts back in and you'll be good to go. If this video helped you save time, if this video gave you confidence that you can accomplish this without hiring a mechanic, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and we will see you on the next one.